First, we're gonna say happy birthday to Luke. Jacob, do you have a new cousin?
Yeah.
What's his name?
Luke.
Luke. Who had a baby today?
Agato.
And?
Achimana.
Yay! And you have a new cousin?
No cousins.
And what's his name?
Luke.
Luke, yay! Are you happy?
Yeah.
Is mommy happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, and are you gonna have a sister come next? What about Fifi? What about Fifi?
Fishies.
Is she gonna come soon? Yeah, we're not gonna talk about her. Can you say happy birthday, Luke? Say happy birthday, Luke, we love you. Say happy birthday, Luke, we love you.
Let me see.
You wanna watch the movie?
Yeah.
Okay, first say happy birthday, Luke.
How about Buddy Luke?
And say I love you.
I love you.
Good job. January 7th, and Luke is here. The baby's out of Auntie Rena's belly.
Mommy?
Yay. What?
Mommy?
What?
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 Go out with the Kika's belly?
Is there a baby in your belly? Is there a baby in Jacob's belly?
Sticky.
Sticky?
Sticky, huh?
Okay. We're going to say bye, and we'll see Luke's picture soon.
I can see.
Okay.